Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, Monday, January 20-something. We got the Volkswagen warming up. Some tools over there. Tools in the back. Work on this car this morning. What's going on again? Bright and early, Monday morning, January 25th. I'm going to head to my brother's house and we're going to fix that rear rusted control arm, that upper control arm on his 2006 Chevy Malibu, the one I did my last video on. You know, the proper way to change that arm would be to drop the subframe in the rear. I ain't got an access to a 2-post lift, so we're going to do it a way that I think is better. So we'll see how that goes. We're also going to see if we can put some brakes on a 2001 Chevy Blazer 2. I don't know if we'll get to that today. They're calling for snow and rain today, so starting around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, so it's already past 9, so we're kind of in a rush. But I don't know, we'll see here. I'll bring you guys back when we get there and get all set up. I'll give you some Volkswagen driving action. Safety first. Oh man. Didn't feel like doing anything this morning. Felt like sleeping all day. Especially since the weather's such crap. drive. I'll bring you back when we get there. Okay, we're back. We got a better shot of that arm where it's broke. Technically, you're supposed to drop the whole subframe. I'm gonna see if I can drop this trailing arm right here, get the spring out of the way, and then we'll drop the subframe a little bit. Hopefully we can get enough room to get back in there. In there. So I'll work on getting this trailing arm down. We'll bring you back after we update some. So I got the bolt out of the trailing arm. I'll put you there. Let's put the jack back underneath it. Yeah, and just keep it like just put a little bit of pressure on it so that arm doesn't go flying down when I now lower it a little bit, because now the arm ain't got no room to drop. Just a little bit. Just come up a little bit. Morning, neighbors. Almost out. There it is. All right, now lower the jack. So there we got the spring out. It gives us some more room to work. Next I'm gonna try to drop this subframe. I want to do this bolt and that one right there. And I think they're 19 millimeters. Alright, we got on this car it's got 3 subframe bolts on this side. One there. One right there. Which is right there. And then the first one underneath there, just right there. And it'll drop that subframe enough where we can get back in there for that last bolt. This is a little tricky, so I'll bring you back when I get it off. All right, we're back again. As you can see, that back there is a 18mm bolt. I was able to get an impact through the back. Impact with the swivel back through here to get that nut. See the socket right there by the spring mount. And I was able to put a wrench back there and put the impact on it and zip it off. 21's up here, and then here's the old rusted one. There's a better look of it. Not much left of it. We got the new Chinese moved one. Moved is Chinese now. There's the part number if you need it. We'll check it out compared to this one. Looks to be it. Got with the old and with the new. Alright, we're back. We got the new arm in. As you can see back there, like I said, I got the impact through that space on the subframe. Put a wrench on that right side, got it in. This part was kind of hard to line up. You just basically got to put an impact on this side and give her the beans to run it through. And them clips were all junk, so I just zip tied them to the control arm. So overall, that job wasn't too bad. All I gotta do now is put the spring back in and put the subframe bolts back in both 3 places. And they see us work on that spring, the trailing arm and everything right here. Maybe set it up somewhere so you can see us. If you want to tilt back, just loosen it, and then just set that where it needs to be, where they can kind of watch us put that spring back in, and you're good. Maybe that spring, and we'll try to get it back in. And the spring's kind of bent a little bit. Yeah, no. Ah, lost my brand new light. Alrighty, let's get that jack underneath it. Jack it back up. Let me see if I can lift up a little bit. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna try to get it to here. What you want to do is you want to get your face real close to a spring. So if something happens, you're surely to die. Here we go. Keep jacking it up. All right, let's chill out a bit. All right, let's keep going up. Keep on going. Yeah, keep on going. Yep. We're getting close because. All right, hold on.
This back is line. Yep,
There we go.
Nope. Came out of alignment.
Lower the jack a little bit.
Move your face. Because you know this thing don't low a little bit. Oh, motherfucker.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Let me try this. Let's see if I can hammer this in first. Hold on. Let's see if I can find out the impact and send it a little bit. Oops. Yep. Let's check it up again. This is going to be the hardest part, I think.
Tap, it'll probably fall into place.
Yeah, let's jack up on it a little bit. Keep going. Over here. Okay. Yeah, go ahead and jack up on it.
There you go. Let's shift. You? Just a little bit.
Yeah, it's not quite aligned on this side though. Keep jacking up. If I can get this side started, I'll just hammer it through.
Yeah.
Everything's a little unorthodox.
It is.
Well, it'll be all lined up on that side, but
Yeah, good.
let's just put it in backwards. I don't think it matters what way it goes. And does it? All right, where's the nut? Where's the nut? I don't know. There it is. Let's go ahead and jack up on it a little bit. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Where'd the hammer go? Oh, there it is. Let's try that. Keep jacking up just a little bit more. It's close. Yep, keep going. All right, hold up. All right, hold up. Let's put them separate bolts in. Yeah, I should have known. All right. Hey, we'll make a pretty good time. Expected a long day. Oh. I was about to saw it out. Ah, water in my ear. Oh, I didn't. Was it 18 or 19? Where'd the other one go? Oh. Right there. Okay, are these supposed to be the same size? Yeah. This job is done, so I was putting the wheel back on. Alright. Alrighty. That should be it. What do you think? I think it looks good. This is me. I put everything back. I did put this bolt in backwards. Where's it at? Just because I could put an impact on this side and run it in. Because with everything blocking it on this side, you can't really get an impact in it. It's hard to line it up. Now it looks like we need to do this one next. That one's already starting to rust. For sale. So I'll put the wheel back on and we'll show you what it looks like when we set it back down on the ground. All right, there's the finished product. The wheel's not stoved up into the car anymore. It sits pretty level. You would expect we're not GM Goodrich mechanics. Again, there's the part number. If you want the Chinese move version. And there's the old one. Minty. Now we're back. We're working on the next vehicle. Doing a brake job on this 2001 S10 Blazer, and got the rotor off. Obviously, it was metal to metal on the inside. And then, you know, good old Ohio. There's no everything with the parking brake is gone. So we're just going to do the parking brake delete and just put the brakes back on. Hopefully we ain't got any problems with that caliper. I say we will, but we'll just chance it for now. At least the shackles in the back have been done on this thing. Alright, here's the update. We got the new pads, the new rotor. You know, plenty of rust. We did do the parking brake delete. 3 more to go. Take this wheel off next. Oh, 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 oh. Jack it up just a couple more pumps. This side of the blacktop's a little higher. It is. There you go. Get it off the ground. That's good. Yep. There you go. Oh, this side's in better shape.
Better or worse?
Better. I'd say that side was the side that was the problem, but we're here. This side's in pretty good shape, really. That caliper's been changed too. It's new. You see, it's new, newer-ish. Well, we'll get started. Just do it all.
I didn't want to say some unfunny things. 2 reasons why that side was more worn out.
Yeah, hell, see the bolts new and everything.
Did you know about that or not?
This? No. I did the front brakes, but I put used ones on off some parts Blazer I had because they were toast when I test drove it. And he said, I think the back brakes were done recently.
We just stuck one side.
He bought it off his mom, so he really didn't know. He was an older guy. Bought it off his mother. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks good.
Beautiful.
Actually, it looks like it's fucking leaking.
Not beautiful.
We'll go ahead and change and make a match. Ratcheting wrenches, man's best friend. See all this oil and stuff.
Yeah.
Caliper's leaking. We'll just run it. Yeah, it's probably Chinese caliper. Chinese caliper from China. Billions and billions of junk parts. Yeah, it's like Donald Trump. Hey, look, someone did the Somebody did the parking brake and leak back here too. See? All rusty. Yeah, you don't need no parking brake, it's an automatic. Alright, we're back. New rotor on. New pads. Put the wheel back on. Oh wow. Can you see me? Alright, pass me the wheel. Pass me the wheel. It up that jack falls. Maybe not. Now we got it. We're good. Perks of living in Ohio, sleeping on us. I got the front brakes done. So, this will probably be where I end the video, since it's snowing, sleeting. We're trying to get done before it gets too bad out here. How you feeling?
Amazing.
Results of working out in the crappy weather. We got the car fixed. Show them the car. Yeah. The wheel works. Wheels not sticking yet. Then we did all the brakes on the Blazer, so got a little bit done before the weather turned to shit. Peace out.